Shandong Weierxin Automobile Company Limited, Intelligent Transport Solutions, End-to-End Support. Shandong Weierxin Automobile Company Limited. Approved by the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology of China, operates as an industry trade enterprise, specializing in trailer manufacturing and used truck distribution. Driven by a dual focus on quality and service, we deliver diversified solutions for the logistics and transportation industry. Our company has passed the CCC certification from the China Quality Certification Center. Currently, our export destinations span across diverse regions worldwide, including Central Asia, Vietnam, the Philippines, the Middle East, Africa, Europe, and the Americas. We welcome friends from all over the world to purchase our products. Core products. New trailers, full range including cargo van trailers, container transporters, refrigerated trailers, and specialized models. Featuring high-strength, lightweight designs, intelligent welding technology, and air suspension systems to optimize load capacity and fuel efficiency. Used trucks, rigorously inspected and certified models from mainstream brands. Transparent vehicle history reports empower clients to reduce costs and boost productivity. Integrated services. Backed by in-house manufacturing facilities and a professional team, we provide one-stop solutions. Customized new trailer production. Used truck trade-ins, maintenance, repair, and upgrades. End-to-end support covers design consultation, financial solutions, and global after-sales service. Customer commitment, client-centric philosophy with instant response and lifetime technical support. Full seller value system spanning products and services. Whether you seek high-efficiency trailers or cost-effective used trucks, Weierxin empowers every journey with expertise. Partner with us to pioneer a smarter logistics ecosystem.